Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at the Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing and first impressions of the AUKEY wireless earphones, which are Bluetooth 5 earbuds. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, AUKEY have very kindly sent us a set of wireless earbuds to review, and I'm going to open up the packaging. The packaging is simple and has some plastic holding the box together. Now I'm going to use my blunt scissors, as always, to get into the packaging. As you can see, there's no specifications on here. There's no extra information, just a clear showing of what's inside the box. But there's also a couple of plastic tabs at the side here. And let's open that. And this one. So packaging is quite easy to get into. I've had much worse. Let's see how the product is presented as it comes out of the box. So AUKEY are a brand that I've been using power banks from for years. Quite a reliable brand in terms of chargers and power banks. So the buds are in a case which is in a soft touch plastic bag. Inside the packaging you have some replacement earbuds, which is very handy, especially considering the subjectivity of people's ear sizes and shapes, and a cable. And this is obviously a much newer model of earbuds, because as you can see, there's a USB Type A to USB Type C, which is great. We really welcome this product feature, because if you're traveling, and people tend to use their earbuds when traveling quite a lot, if you have a modern smartphone that isn't a fruity one, for example a Huawei or a Xiaomi or any other modern smartphone that isn't an Apple one, you don't have to take an extra charger. You can just use your phone charger to charge your earbuds. There's also a user manual and a quick start guide. The quick start guide is the one I usually look at to see how easy it is to set up the earbuds. And it is very, very simple by the looks of it. So you have the option to charge. They invite you to charge them, to adjust your earbud tips to make sure they're right for your ears, and to then check the status indicators. So I'll do that all in a moment. We've had a look at the documentation, the usual extras, and now let's have a look at the buds themselves. Soft touch plastic bag, keeping the product safe from scuffs and scratches whilst in the packaging, which is always good, and recyclable. Let's put that to a side. And so these earbuds feel very light for their size, and AUKEY branding on the front. We can see the 4 LEDs for status indicator and the USB Type-C for charging at the bottom. And when you open up the case, you can see that's activated the LEDs. Let's have a look at these. Okay, so these are the newer shaped ones, more similar to the Fruity brand. There is a plastic cover over the pogo connectors. Let me just take that off. So this is normal when earbuds ship, to make sure that they don't get charged and recharged unnecessarily during shipment and storage. So there we have the 2 earbuds, left and right. They have left and right on them, and some pre-applied earbud tips. So what I'm going to do is charge these up, and then I'm going to pair the AUKEY wireless earbuds with my Huawei P30 Pro and with the iPhone 11, and use the usual range of tests, both music, audiobooks and podcasts, as well as watching some video, to see how they perform, what their sort of latency is, and so forth. So I'll do that, and as well as that, we will be putting a link to these earbuds on Amazon in the description. And So in terms of price, at time of recording this video, these earbuds are just under £60 sterling on Amazon UK. So that's just under $90 in the US. But I have to say, first impressions are quite positive, the casing is good, and it feels like a solid product. What I'm going to do is test the audio and then get back to you with my first impressions. Okay then, I'm back, and I've put the AUKEY wireless earbuds through their paces after having charged them, both on the iPhone 11 and the Huawei P30 Pro, and I have some thoughts. But before I share those thoughts with you, please take a moment to watch these ads and support the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, so overall, the sound quality from these AUKEY wireless earbuds is excellent. Really good bass, really good treble. Overall, definitely a step above other brands that I've reviewed and provided unboxings and first impressions of on the Tech Travel Geeks. These also fit really nicely in my ear. Just the shape of the earbuds themselves with this earbuds sealer is really good. There seemed to be literally no lag between what I was watching on YouTube on both the iPhone and the Huawei P30 Pro. There's no lag between the video and what I was watching, which was excellent. That's a really good thing, and something that you notice a difference in when using wireless earbuds. So synchronization is great, no lag. What I would say is the putting them in and out of the case is a bit fiddly because of the shape of that stick that comes out at the bottom. But overall, great product overall. And I have to say, it's nice and light. These earbuds cases can sometimes be quite heavy or a bit uncomfortable to hold in your pocket. These fit quite well in my jeans, no issue there, and it feels nice to hold. So this is not exactly a fidget spinner, but nice little thing to hold on to whilst you're maybe sitting on a train or sitting on a plane. But overall, I'm really happy about the fact that it has USB Type-C for charging. This is definitely a value add for people with even the newer MacBooks and iPads. It's the same charger that you would have for those devices. But if you have an Android smartphone, it's highly likely that your charger is USB Type-C, so no need for an extra charger there. And what I would say is there is also an option for active noise cancellation, which is really impressive. It's something that I haven't tried properly because I haven't been on a plane or an environment where it made a difference, but there is definitely a noticeable step change in the sound whilst that's on. I will have to put it through its full review to be able to give you some feedback on the battery life. Is the battery life on these AUKEY earbuds enough to get through, say, a football game, so a full 2 hours on streaming on your smartphone or tablet? We'll need to put it through its paces. But for now, we hope you've enjoyed this unboxing and first impressions of the AUKEY wireless earbuds. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, let us know your thoughts. And also check out the link in the description to Amazon. This is where you will be able to purchase these AUKEY wireless earbuds in the UK. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye.